Hey, we're Mads and Dan, and we're travelling around Australia in our self-converted van, Rio.
In this video, we begin our Tropical North Queensland road trip by going up the coast from Townsville, stopping off at Paluma Range National Park, Mission Beach and the Babinda Boulders. We are just on the road out of Townsville now. We had a bit of a life admin, like sorting things out morning, some laundry, which you can see all through the back. Yeah, now we're headed to a swimming hole called Big Crystal Creek, which looks like it'll be really cool. It'll be nice to go for a swim, and yeah, we loved our time in Magnetic Island. It was so nice, and we're like kind of worried we won't be able to find us nice beaches to swim the further north we go because of crocs. So yeah, I think it'll be a lot of inland water holes. We're just gonna slowly make our way up. We've got some more admin to do for me, for visa stuff a bit later. So yeah, nice and slow today. Yeah, just loving life really.
Where are we?
Big Crystal Creek.
Yeah.
In the Paluma Ranges, just north of Townsville. The Big Crystal Creek swimming hole was amazing. Like, so nice.
I rate that so highly. That's one of my favourite places we've been on this whole trip.
Yeah, it was like the water is so clear and it's kind of green and really refreshing, especially how humid it is, and completely croc safe, and it's huge as well, so you can definitely, even if there's other people there, like get your own little spot. As we were first going in, a huge group of school kids, like a massive coaster load on a school trip came through, but we were like, oh, it's gonna be so busy, but we still managed to find a corner, and then it quieted down after they left, and yeah, it was amazing. It was so nice. We're looking forward to all the swimming holes like this, because the water's a bit croc infested and everything can potentially kill you around in the sea around here. There are all these water holes which are just perfect for a dip. So we just spent about 2 hours there, and now we're heading up the road towards Mission Beach, where we're going to stay at a rest stop tonight. Eventually when we head back to Sydney we'll come back this way, so we might skip some things now and then go another time.
Frosty mango.
We are at Mission Beach. We spent the whole morning here finishing off my partner visa, which we've just submitted, which is so exciting. So hopefully I can stay in Oz. It's gorgeous here. It's so warm. We're just having a drink to celebrate. And it's like 1 o'clock now, so we'll make some lunch and then do a bit more exploring. We've just been kind of planning our next few days.
Well, we've seen a fair few people in and out of the water, so I think this part of South Mission Beach is safe for swimming today at least. We're still kind of coming to terms with the croc warnings and when they are a bit more relaxed, but it's not that reassuring when you see croc signs up and down the beach.
Yeah.
But so we're just going to have another beer to celebrate Mad's partner visa, make some lunch, and then we're going to go up to Mission Beach, which is loaded with palm trees. So
Dan loves palm trees.
I love palm trees.
I do too.
Yeah, that and sugarcane crops.
Yeah.
Just love them.
So Dan loves Tropical North Queensland.
I love driving.
That's all this area has.
I love driving through all the sugarcane crops. Yeah, we'll go explore amongst the palm trees and try to, show everyone how cool it is.
Yeah. What kind of drop bear is this?
I'm just hanging around.
Hello. We're just at the Liverpool Creek swim hole rest area for the night. It was about half an hour from Mission Beach and it's such a nice drive. It's all through the banana plantations and the sugar cane, which you can see behind me. It's a bit busy, but we managed to get space. It's very tropical, lots of bugs around, but we've had such a nice day exploring Mission Beach and it's just like the perfect stop. What's the plan for today?
I've got to fix a broken burner. I've Googled how to fix it, so I think I can fix it.
Then what?
Today we're heading to the Babinda Boulders, and so we're going to swim, check it out, just having some coffee now, then we'll make a move and go and swim in yet another amazing waterhole, so we're pretty keen.
we're just at the Babinda Boulders. We've pretty much had it all to ourselves, like no one else is really here. And the people who do come normally just come and take a photo and leave, don't go for a swim. So nice, the water is beautiful.
Yeah, it was a really nice temperature, not cold at all, which was pleasant, and yeah, just the water is so clear, it's remarkable. And
it's all to ourselves, like honestly, if you wait around a bit you will get it. Like when we first arrived there was a coach of people. We would like to acknowledge and pay our respects to the traditional owners of the land on which this was filmed, the Nywaigi, Djiru and Wanyurr-Majay people.